What's up? It's Matt. I'm back live again at the National Restaurant Association show in Chicago, and I'm here with something that all restaurants seem to struggle with, shaky tables. And Andy, you at Flat Tech have solved the shaky table problem.
Absolutely, we have, Matt. We've got two great solutions for restaurants that are looking for new table bases that automatically stabilize on uneven surfaces. And we also have a great solution here for customers who already have tables and they need a retrofit product to stabilize and align their table bases.
Okay, so I've been at restaurants and you get underneath there and by the way, this is what got my attention, this big squeaky beer sign. So whoever did that's genius.
Thank you.
Yes, that was you.
It was, I'll take that.
I was walking by and I'm like, what is that noise? And then I looked at it and saw this and thought, shaky tables. We've all been at a restaurant where there's sweet and low shoved underneath there, beer coasters folded in half. How does this work? Because this is the main part, and I'll switch around, you can talk about it.
No worries. So this was the original product, and our technology is hydraulic. So inside here is oil, and when the feet compress due to an uneven surface, oil passes through the system, and the feet automatically adjust underneath the table. This technology doesn't fit in your existing table. Manufacture this with the complete table set.
Okay.
And you can buy these from a range of distributors and resellers around the world, and it automatically stabilizes.
Wow.
So I can show you real quick how this works.
Definitely.
All right. So here, if I place the table on the wedge, the technology underneath the table, which you can see just here, will adjust to the wedge. The feet will change and it locks in place. And then of course we have the second product, as I mentioned, for customers who already have existing tables.
Yep.
We launched this a couple of years ago, and last year it won one of the Kitchen Innovation Awards from the NRA. And this foot here is called a flat equalizer. You get 4 of these in a pack, and they replace the screw-in feet underneath your tables.
Okay, so if you already got tables, you don't got to buy your tables, you can buy this, pop it on there.
Exactly right, exactly right. So if I place this table here with equalizers already installed on the wedge, the table wobbles. And the easy way to fix that is just a gentle press on the tabletop. It's done, it's stabilized. Just like that, easy, simple press on the table. But like we say to the majority of people that come to the NRA, our party trick is really the alignment. So when we bring tables together in the restaurant, we always have this problem here.
You always have that right there, that crack, and your beer gets stuck there and it falls over.
Exactly right. We can't put a tablecloth on here, things fall over, it looks terrible, and it's the worst seat in the house. If you have a plate, it's not a great place to sit. We can adjust the hydraulic feet underneath the table, bring them together, and level those out. So now you have a stable and aligned table.
Wow.
Products are available nationwide. All the major distributors have them right now. And we've had a fabulous show. These things are absolutely flying because it solves a problem everybody has.
Everybody does have it, and I appreciate you spending some time with me.
Pleasure.
Restaurant owners, don't settle for shaky tables. Equalize them. Get the Flat Tech. This is amazing. I've seen it in person. I was amazed when I saw it, and when I heard the squeak, you got my attention.
That's right.
So make sure you check them out. I'll make sure after we get done, I'll pop a link in the video. So I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.